Good morning, good afternoon and good evening. A little more on Brexit for you. More on the Texit of Brexit. Now, there's a Canadian company called Bombardier. They make aircraft. They have a huge factory in Northern Ireland. 4,000 jobs, directly and indirectly dependent upon this manufacturing process. They're currently in the process of fulfilling orders for the American military and the UK military. They're going to use these planes in a military capacity, and quite a few hundred of them. Now, Boeing have waded in to say that this aircraft has been made basically with too much government subsidy. As a result, the United States has slapped a 220% tax on these aircraft, thus making their sale in the United States under the contract for which they are being manufactured completely impossible. Now, it's ironic. The UK government is now in a place where they're 20% along the road of leaving the European Union, and they're about to take on the biggest country in the world in a trade war. It's pretty stunning. I mean, talk about cutting your nose off to spite your face. It's pretty wild stuff. They're in absolutely no position to get into stuff like this. And if they are going to start a trade war with the United States, I think we can safely say there's only going to be one outcome. And I'm not even going to state what that is going to be. So, I do think they need to think very carefully. My personal opinion is Brexit is still reversible. I don't see why they just don't do it. There must be grounds. We shall see. Wish them all the very best with this. Thank you very much.